What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video I will show you the latest news directly related to our story. The most important one is the live stream that was made by Roza directly related to her second amended complaint. And I will show you some updates regarding the transfer and your shares to AST and all the details regarding the potential issues. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It is very easy and simple action, but it gives us an opportunity to spread this information to as many people as we can. And it is very important to attract more attention to our problem, because eventually it will help us to win this battle. So that is why just hit the like button. And let's start with Roza's live stream. She made this video just 7 hours ago and it is about 1 hour long video. And the main topic of this video is her appeal update. And she describes step by step why did she file this appeal and what to expect next. And you can read right here the summary that was made by Due Diligence, and you can find it on MMTLPresources.com website. And she basically explains in details what conditions do we have for now for this appeal, and that is more importantly what to expect next and when to expect next. And I have to say that the timeline is following. Roza said in her live stream that we have to wait for the resolution of this appeal for about 70 days, and these days should be divided by 30 and 40 days, because first of all we have to wait for the brief from FINRA, and the response from Roza will be within the next 40 days. This means we might see the hearings of this appeal not sooner than 70 days from this point. This means we basically will see it somewhere in the beginning of 2024. So, next important topic that Roza explains in her video is the AST transfer. And she refers to this tweet that was made by Daniel Spears. And Daniel wrote, MMTLP, to transfer to AST or not? Here's a fact you need to know. If you hold Contra QC placeholders at your broker, you do not own NBH shares. If NBH sells, you could be stuck holding an FTD. In time, FTDs can and will be sent to the NSCC obligations warehouse indefinitely. 100 MPH has said that it could possibly sit there, never be dealt with. I believe he's been waiting for 12 to 13 years on shares, now sitting in the NSCC obligations warehouse. What are your options? 1. You can transfer to AST and know for a fact that you own shares of NextBridge. 2. You can hire an attorney and go after your broker. However, all brokers have an arbitration clause, so they could easily say, well, we can deliver, so here's a refund of the money you spent, and leave that decision to arbitration. 3. You can choose to do nothing and roll the dice. Maybe it'll be one day, maybe you'll be special and yours will never end up and the NSCC OW. What happens to your Contra QC placeholders if the AST bus is full by the time you decide to transfer? We've all been hoping and praying for nearly a year. We all still own nothing unless we transfer to AST. In no way I'm telling what to do. All I'm giving you is food for thought. The only person who knows what's best for you is you. Drive your own bus. And Roza started to answer to this tweet and she basically completely disagree with this statement that the FTDs will be in NSCC obligations warehouse indefinitely. And I completely agree with Roza, because it is not the intention of this warehouse. On top of that, let me explain you the situation when the AST bus is full. Definitely, for some opinions, you might conclude that any other non-AST transferred shares will become so-called fake shares. But definitely it is not the case. When AST bus is full and we will have there about 250 million shares, the conclusion will be that we have a huge imbalance of the market. Because definitely we have a lot of people who cannot transfer, who don't want to transfer their shares to AST, and it doesn't mean that the shares that were transferred to AST are real and any other are fake shares. It is not the case, and that is why you have to stay calm, and if you don't want to transfer, it's up to you. On top of that, and Roza also stated in her video, at the very end of her video, if we will have some kind of resolution that will grant us potentially 2 days of trading, any AST transferred shares should be eligible to make a reverse transfer in order to be eligible for these 2 days of trading. And Roza clearly stated this in her video, and on top of that, she stated this in one of her previous live streams, and it is also very important. On top of that, let me show you this tweet that was reposted by Paul T, and he wrote, AST supervisor states something is coming soon to rectify the MMTLP share imbalance. And he refers to this tweet that was made by Ryan Glenn on November 15th, and he wrote, AST supervisor confirmed that the way that you transfer to AST is very unique to the next bridge hydrocarbons, and we cannot transfer back to a brokerage as of right now, but something is coming soon to rectify this stock. And this potentially might be some kind of changes in the rules how we can transfer back the shares, or some kind of this. We just have to wait, patiently wait, and we will know it, I think, within the next several weeks. On top of that, let me show you this tweet that was written by Trevor 19 hours ago, and he wrote, MMTLP, main currently running cases to help MMTLP says it's too late to help MMTLP. When the only tool you own is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And he refers to the tweet of Mark Basile. And let me show you what did Roza respond to this. Also, side note, informed the community you can't sue FINRA. Incredibly arrogant statement. Incredibly arrogant. From the start, everyone, myself and investors already knew about claims of immunity. Plus tweets about great Second Amendment compliant, she'll get through, say otherwise. Why? Also, didn't he infiltrate the community several months after FINRA made a motion to dismiss on the basis of immunity? How are you informing that such a self-serving, arrogant statement that tries to undermine the intelligence of people in this community? And I have to say that Roza and Mark Basile, they are not in close relationships, in business relationships, and they basically blocked each other in Twitter. And that is why they are trying to interact with each other by some kind of weird things. And right here you can see the answer of Mark Basile on Roza's tweet that I've just read you. And he said, that was really unnecessary on her part, but she blocked me long ago. I did say she did a great job on that Second Amendment compliant, and I believe I said she made novel and interesting arguments and might get that through. But I also said you can't sue FINRA and cited to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals case. That's the appellate court she would be going in front of. It will take a Herculean effort to have them reverse themselves, but I wish her all the luck and doing so. So, it is his opinion, and I have to say that if you watch this video from the very beginning till the very end, you will see that Roza is very intelligent and very knowledgeable in this case, and she knows exactly what to do and what she will do if something goes wrong. And I have to say that we achieved a lot within just the last couple of months, and we have to move forward, and we have to unite in order to help our headliners. And definitely we have a lot of misunderstandings inside our community. But in general, our main goal is to win this battle and to have a resolution for all of the MMTLP shareholders, and this resolution will lead to fair markets for the entire US retail community. And that is why we have to win. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.